This is Jonathan for Drain Doctor. We are at 165 Thorndon Quay. Job number is J15148A. We're down where the drain becomes a combined system. You can see the inspection coming in from the right here. We're down about 27 metres. I'm going to pull back from here and just get a recording of all the faults and the applicability of lining from this particular inspection cap. So just slowly pull it back. So we change from PVC to earthenware, as you can see right there. We've got either a displaced joint or a crack. Another displaced joint there. Crack in the top with some chipping as well. So we're at 25 metres now. Another displaced joint there. Maybe a displaced joint there. We have some muck. No, that was alright. Got a hole in the pipe there with some cracking all the way to the joint. We change to PVC for a section. So this here, we're actually wondering if we can push a point repair down to this point. There are a couple of inspection caps at ground level. So this is at, it's about 20.3 metres here. You see we're in PVC. We're about to come to a change of direction, where we go basically vertical. This drain has not been cleaned yet. I'm going to root cut the section of pipe, I hope. If it's upstream of the hole, here we go, change of direction. If it's upstream of the really bad collapse section, then I'll rethink it. But here we have a Y junction on the side that goes up to the surface, and that is at 13 metres. Good shot of that. And now we change back to PVC. Sorry, to earthenware from PVC. So our exact measurement is, what's that? 6 feet. We're at exactly 13 metres right here. Pull it through. So this is the tree root that I'm wanting to cut out. You see you've got lots of chipping and stuff around that joint. I think that the circumference would be okay for lining it though. See more tree roots here. There's a circumferential crack there. The tree roots are starting to grow through as well. So where I'm looking, more tree roots there. To flush it from is this inspection point here, I hope. If we can get it to here and clean it downstream, that should be fine. Change back from PVC to earthenware. More tree roots. The trouble with this section is it's completely smashed. It's near collapse, but I think we could probably line it without losing too much of the diameter. We may have to remove some of those pieces that are protruding there on the left from 7 to 10. That piece there we might actually have to remove before we can line. And that's at 8.5 metres. See lots of chipping and stuff on the bottom there. Crack there at the joint, you can see on the left hand side of the screen there. Now we lose the bottom of the pipe here, so we've actually got no bottom of the pipe. You can see that there. We're actually skipping along the dirt, or maybe it's just dropped down and gotten filthy, but it's completely dropped out there. Lots of chipping on the left hand side there. There's a hole in the bottom of the pipe there, full circumferential crack there at the joint. More damage there. There's a cracked pipe right here. You see the crack in the pipe right there. Oh, sorry, there's a hole in the pipe, I should say. Changed to PVC from earthenware, and we're pulling up into the inspection now. So there's the junction. Get a shot of where I filmed from. That's where we filmed from. The drain runs through from that mark straight down there. I'll stop recording here and get the footage up to the yard.